Welcome to our GIS and remote sensing channel. In this video we will show how to create future classes in ArcGIS. To create future classes, first of all you must create future geodatabases. In previous lesson we have created future geodatabases, as you see, and now we select one of them and right click to the future geodatabase and then select new and then go to future class and the name of the layer, for example building, alias you may stay it empty, and here we choose the geometry type of the future classes, polygon features, line, point, multi-point, and etc. And now we just select polygon features for buildings. And the geometric properties in the root, if we want to visualize the data in ArcScene 3D shape of the buildings or new created layer, we may select Z values to store 3D data to visualize it, and then click next. Here we select feature coordinates of the layer, of the created layer. To create, we select now VGS world geographic coordinate system and select VGS 1984. Then click next. Here if we want to visualize data in ArcScene, or we may select 3D coordinates, VGS. Now we select world VGS 1984 to visualize the vertical coordinates, and here we XI tolerance because they are considered equal. We stay it default and click next, and here we must give attributes for future classes, name, or type, text, and here we specify the type of the field, short, integer, long, double, text. We select text, and then name, select text to create, finish. Now we have created new feature class polygon geometry with polygon geometry type. Then we may, in the same way, we may create line feature, for example streets, select line feature, or you may select 3D VGS. We have, if you want here to create, to choose coordinate system, you may add it to favorites. In further steps, not to search them, we may just click in favorites and select next. Vertical coordinate steps, you may not specify vertical coordinate systems here, and then click next, and here we again may write the field of the types, name of the fields and types, or we may import them from the previous created layers. For example, ArcGIS, here we created from buildings. We now we import the attributes from buildings. We may import them and then finish. Now we have created streets layer, and then in the same way we will create point layers. Point features, we specify geometry types here, point features, or you may specify or not specify. It's not to visualize in 3D data. You may specify coordinates include z values, then click next. Now we have in favorites coordinate system, vertical coordinate system, you may not specify, then next, press configuration keywords, it's default, and now we may same thing at import the attribute data from previous created layers here, in order not to write them again. Click finish. Now we have created 3 layers in ArcGIS. Polygon, point, street, line, points, line, geometry types with the geometry types. Thank you for watching our videos, and if you like this video, press like button and subscribe to our new channel, to get notifications about our next videos.